takes it a few seconds to get warmed up. But that is one beautiful big old, I'll show you in a second. Let me get this glove back on. Man, this thing is tight. I back these off, better back them off a little bit more. These are made by Vevor, so you'll see a theme. I get a lot of stuff on Vevor. I mean, it seems to be quality and it doesn't break the bank, so that's what matters. But this is one big old cookie. I'm going to set that one aside. And hopefully that'll kind of show you why I'm letting it sit out here and get spalty. I think I hit metal. I'll bring you in and show you. This is partly why I did not put this on the sawmill. I'll bring you around. Let's go look at it. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful lumber. I don't know if you can see it right there. And that's a big, big piece of metal.